Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to correctly upgrade the storage on your PS5 Pro, as the console comes with 2TB of storage, of which 1.89TB is available. I'll include links in the description below for everything I'll be showing today. The first option you have is the cheapest way to extend the storage by purchasing an external USB hard disk, and I've done a video showing how to do this. I'll include a link in the description below, or you can click the card in the corner. The second option is to install an M.2 SSD in the internal expansion bay, but remember, you can't use any M.2 SSD. There are some minimum requirements for this, but you can get details on this from PlayStation's website. I'll be installing this 4TB Kingston Fury Renegade NVMe M.2 SSD, which has a heatsink integrated on there. Begin by identifying the correct panel to remove. If you have the console sitting horizontally, it's the bottom panel on the right, or the panel on the top right hand side if you are facing the front of the console. To remove the panel, place the console on a flat surface with the front facing away from you. Put your fingers underneath the plate and gently pull up from the left side. You'll hear it unclip in 2 locations, then lift away. You'll then see the cover for the expansion bay. Remove the screw on the cover with a Phillips head screwdriver and take it off. You'll then see another screw and a standoff. Take these out and place them to the side. Next, take your M.2 SSD and size it up to find the correct screw hole. Now you can place the standoff in the correct screw hole position. Place your SSD into the bay at a slight angle, making an initial connection, then push it in until you hear it click. The drive will now be sitting on the standoff, so you can secure it in position with the screw. Place the drive cover back on and screw to secure. To place the top cover back, line up the clips at the bottom and place the cover down, then gently apply pressure on the top left and you'll hear the plate lock back into position. Then connect up the cables and power on the console. You'll be then asked to format the drive and it will do a read test to check the drive is compatible. Now looking in settings, storage, M.2 SSD storage, you'll see the storage there together with the free space, and you're able to move around games from the console storage and change your installation location. And that's it, as simple as that. Like and follow for more. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.